I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to watch. Honorable Afenyo Markin is in the news, and Deputy Attorney General Justice Søon is also in the news. What really happened? We all remember when Afenyo Markin assaulted a police officer. They were on a demonstration. They were sending their petition to Parliament. A barrier was being made. Afenyo Markin used his hand to slap a police person. The video went viral and everything was going on. And right now, the Deputy Attorney General, Justice Søon, has come out that all the case investigation has been made and the docket is ready. So right now, we know that investigation is done. Everything is going to be on procedure. If Afenyo Markin deserve to be punished, Afenyo Markin will be punished. The law have to work. Kevin Taylor has come to react and also brought a lot of information that we never knew.
Actually, I was say, court. Near you do something to say criminal or attack a public officer because you have attacked a police officer. The police, they have done their investigations. They came to that conclusion that you are a criminal. You have attacked a public officer. If somebody attacks you, this same act will apply. So if you have attacked a police officer who is a public official, the same act 29, it needs to be applied. And the maximum penalty, you have to go in for 3 years or you have to be fined when you are found guilty in any court in Ghana. So you don't have any moral right to even discuss that you are not going to agree for Parliament to vet Mr. Bafuboni. You are a criminal. Now, this is the legal consequences. Now, if you want us to also look at the professional consequences. These are the professional consequences of your action. And I'm talking about your criminal assault case. I want you to know the consequences in what you have done. The investigation sitting on the desk of the Attorney General. Now, this is the professional consequences as a lawyer. Attacking a public officer or a police officer, these are the professional consequences as a lawyer. Now, the General Legal Counsel, GLC, can initiate a disciplinary hearing for misconduct. The General Legal Counsel can start a disciplinary hearing for misconduct because you are a lawyer and you have attacked a police officer. So the GLC can also be petitioned. Now, possible outcomes include 1, suspension from legal practice. They can take your license from you, Afenyo Markin, a criminal who has assaulted a police officer. 2, they call something disbarment. They can do what? Strike your name out. You can never practice in Ghana. 1, you can be suspended, and 2, your name can be taken out. You can no more call yourself a lawyer in Ghana from your actions. 3, official reprimand or caution for conduct bringing the profession into disrepute. So, professionally, you have to be taken on. A lawyer can petition, or any Ghanaian can petition the General Legal Counsel for them to take these actions against you because the fact has been established. You assaulted a public officer and the Attorney General has your docket now on his desk. So tomorrow, I can petition the GLC and tell them that they should initiate. I will use the docket, that information, give it to GLC and tell them to sit on this matter because I want them to get to the bottom of it. And the GLC are going to look into the matter, look at the details, ask you questions, and come out with their conclusion. So tomorrow or Monday, a Ghanaian can petition the GLC, and you are either going to be suspended, disbarred, or you at the end of the day, you cannot call yourself a lawyer in Ghana. You are Afenyo Markin, you are done. Now, apart from what will hit you professionally, right? Let me show you Parliament 2. What can be done to you? You are walking in Ghana and screaming, "What the town hall Parliament? What's a brony who should be a permanent a Vietnam, but you know, I can't quite see. Now, parliamentary consequences. Parliament, This is the action that can be taken against you. If Alban Bagman is credible and he's going to be honest with himself and he's going to be honest to Ghanaians, he will take action against you on Monday. Now, parliamentary consequences. Parliament's Privileges Committee may summon you or him for behavior unbecoming of an MP and minority leader. So Parliament, the Privileges Committee can sit and summon you, say, come. We have also gotten the docket. The police have established that you assaulted a police officer. The witnesses are senior police officers. Now this docket is sitting on the desk of the Attorney General. We don't need to wait for the Attorney General to make our conclusion. Now you need to answer these questions. 2. A public reprimand or censure recorded in the Hansard. The public, what they can do is they can publicly come out and do what? And let the world know that you are a criminal. Then they will record it in parliament records that you, Afenyo Markin, as a member of Ghana's parliament, you attacked a police officer. 3. Suspension from sitting for a defined period. Privileges Committee can take you out of parliament and say sit home until the Attorney General calls the case in parliament. Attorney General called the case in court. For court to finish listening to the case and coming out with their final judgment, you cannot carry yourself as the leader of the NPP in Parliament. So Privilege Committee can tell you, stay home. So you can lose your license. You can be kicked out of Parliament. Now, the third one, a call for him to apologize to the police and Parliament. You will have to publicly come out naked with your dick standing on. Also down utrum and daso now be pagana chow now pa parliament chow our national TV. So these are things they can instruct you to do. Or dying, you are saying you don't want Bafu Bunny to be what? To be vetted. Who the hell are you? A criminal like you, Afenyo Markin.
I know. If you finish listening to what Kevin Taylor has spoken, he has given us his own analogy, his own critics, and he has made us understand so many things about the case or about what Afenyo Markins have to be facing. No one is above the law. So if you're a citizen of Ghana, all you have to do is just to respect the Constitution. You have to respect it. You have to follow it. And leadership by example. If you're a leader, whether you're a president, whether you're a vice president, whether you're a leader or you are serving the state, all you have to do is just to set an example for me to know that, oh, at long last, leaders are following the rules and regulation or the Constitution. So a normal citizen will also know that I have to follow the laws of the land or the Constitution. If Afenyo Markin is being prosecuted or Afenyo Markin is being sent to court, it will set an example for people to know that yes, no one is above the law. But if they try to cover it up, there will be like loopholes. A lot of people will not trust the government. So we are all praying that everything will go on very well. If you deserve to be prosecuted, you have to be prosecuted. If you deserve to go scot-free, you have to go scot-free. And also they have to investigate the police personnel for them to know what really happened and everything that has gone on, so that it will set as an example. So if you are there, you can't do anything. There are laws in the country. Don't just be living just like that. There are laws in the country. You may think you can live anyhow, you can do anything. Immediately the law catches you, you will be very amazed. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.